I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to update the photo on the bulletin board page in your Cardinal Connect account. So first you will need to locate the folder of staff pictures that Christy Rogers shared with us. You can search for it in your email and look for the one from her, or you can go straight to your Google Drive shared with me folder and search for the 2017-18_staff folder. Then you will scroll down and find your picture. For me, I personally find it easy to download the photo and save it to my desktop, and that way I can quickly find it when I am in Cardinal Connect. So I am going to right-click on my picture and hit download. From there, I will open it up, and I am going to export this so that I can save it directly to my desktop and it will be easy to find. So my desktop is selected and I'm going to save it there. At this point, I can switch over to Cardinal Connect and I am going to select a class. You may or may not have a photo that you've uploaded already. We will enter edit mode from your bulletin board. You will need to edit it again. If you have a photo already selected, you will need to delete that photo. So I'm going to click the checkbox under delete next to that photo and save, and that will get rid of the current picture. Then I'm going to edit again and click add photo. Since I saved that picture to my desktop, it's going to be listed first because I have mine sorted by date modified. You can also scroll over here and search in your downloads folder if you are using a different computer or you save it that way. Personally, I like to navigate from my desktop, so I'm going to select from there and click open. So now I can see that my photo has been uploaded, and once I save it, I can preview my bulletin board page and see that my updated photo is available. That's all there is to it. I hope that is easy for you to follow. If you have any questions, you can find us in the tech office, or I am in room 2410 in the senior house, or you can email me and I will be happy to help you. Thanks.